If you have been looking for a bungalow housing lot that is accessible going to Makati, BGC, and Alabang, well, today might be your lucky day. Let me tour you around this 8.5 million bungalow housing lot here in San Lorenzo Royal in Santa Rosa, Laguna, easily accessible through the Santa Rosa exit via the South Luzon Expressway. This property sits in a lot area of 153 square meters with a floor area of 107 square meters. It has 3 bedrooms, a master bedroom with its own walk-in toilet and bath, and also meron din po siyang walk-in closet. Ang maganda dito, napakaluwag ng master's bedroom niya. And you also have a spacious double height ceiling, living and dining area, and a beautiful kitchen, a service area at the back, and a patio right in front of the house so that you can entertain your guests. Not only that, meron po din po siyang spacious 2-car garage na kasya po ang dalawang big size SUVs. Now, if you would like to know more about this property, you can contact us in the contact information posted on the screen, and nandyan rin po yan sa comment section. Bye guys!